Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we are heading over to Rubens Precision to check out the Falcon. I have some updates on the Falcon. We are finalizing the front drive assembly. Now that we got the dry sump pump installed, we just got to do some adjustments with the belt. It is a Jones drive system. It is a cog belt system. So anyway, stay tuned. Follow along as you kind of see behind the scenes of some projects that are going on at Rubens Precision and also CSM Racing Engines. Right now, we're also finalizing the fuel system, so there'll be more updates to that. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.
Got Allen wrenches?
What size? Oh, which one? For which one?
They're small. Right here, these little set screws.
Metric or standard?
Standard. Just the whole set.
All right, guys, so we're just sorting out the last few.
That's 3/4 probably. I'll leave the rest on there. All right.
Would be nice.
Bigger.
Bigger?
Nope.
Is running there?
No set screw.
Huh? Is there?
Not one.
Doesn't have one, right?
Could just be pressed, huh? It is. So look how much room we got to go down. Almost nothing, huh?
Yeah, no, it's right there.
Probably should leave it.
Oh, you want to push it anymore?
I was thinking about it.
Yeah, the fucker's pressing because you see how
It's a
it
power
had
steering.
Yeah.
I thought there was a set screw. That's just they put it on. They probably put it on where they know they can get to. But to go down
And it's right
this
there.
far, to go down further than this, you'd have to cut that.
Grind the body.
No, it's the offset's wrong.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, so look at this right here.
Get a couple precisions.
I don't see him on time. Where you been? What do you mean? They don't let you out anymore? Me?
he goes to nap, and he goes to nap, and then I think this is off because of, see that plate I put in there?
This one right here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So I gotta take all this apart, make sure it's all tight, and put it back
What
together.
about yeah, if we take the spacer, you know what the thickness of the plate right there, bring it in.
There's no room. I've already see how this is super close.
Fuck,
I had to clearance that to even get it to that point. So it's married to where it's at right now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go ahead and move this back a little bit. I'll take it with me because I can reach in and cut that down a little bit.
Bring it in more.
I mean,
I'm gonna cut that off and then I'll just move it down as much as I can and then call it good, and then the belt will ride where it rides. It's no trouble.
be worth it when you hear it.
Or you can tell him, please don't take
He gave me permission. So there's more street beasts gonna come out of this place. You guys are gonna see one wicked 55 Chevy that's in the works. No expense spared. The painter there. Hi, Mark. So Mark will be putting his touches on it. Here's some cool stuff that's coming along. But well, this is a full on build, no expense spared 55 Chevy that you guys will see with a wicked CSM motor. You know, full chassis, full frame, full paint and body, custom paint, and this will be a real deal. And I think this is going to be a
540 cubic inch, big block, 1071 little field, fuel injected street car.
so yeah, and it's a big tire car as well. What's that?
Look from the back.
So this is something that so there's all the business. I mean, that's it.
Fred Flintstone steam rollers.
So yeah, and then yeah. So talk about what kind of cage are we looking at? Just kind of
750 cert back in the day,
nice,
but it's outdated for racing, so it's gonna be a
nice street beast.
It's gonna be a street car that I'll race.
Nice.
But my race car is a street track.
Yep. So 540. Yep.
My exhaust is rattling on my truck.
I told you I don't want to cut it.
I know you want to cut it, but now I want to cut it.
That's where you got to put it. Nice.
Hey, look. No, go like that.
There you go. So merch available, or will be available on the website for both of them.
2X. You want 2X?
It should be.
I
They don't
think
shrink.
so. They shrink a little.
That's what I do too. Most times the dryer they won't shrink.
Oh, I forgot XL anyway.
I touch it like, no, like, oh shit. Really soft.
Yeah. So the pedal ratio of like where the brake pedal is, that arm, and then how far down,
I
where the
modify.
rod is.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because that's unless you
Yeah, I modify the pedal.
unless you've done one
Not the
or
pedal,
two.
but because the rod, it was completely different than the.
So you had
one
to
that you have before.
weld and
Yeah.
some change.
This Flexolite fan and shroud does really well for
Yeah.
for like most. That's the same one that's been on my car for over 10
I think
years.
the CFM, they're like 3,300.
Yeah, they work really good.
No, I don't
Just stay cool on the highway.
Oh, it's back on again?
Yeah.
Yeah, on my
The fan should
Falcon.
only be on at low speeds.
Yeah, so I did that on my
Well, that's
Falcon.
the air is
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
But then some of them they're still spinning, but they're holding back the air on them.
Yeah, this
Basically
one's
did
like
that.
170.
Now, does that cowl probably help though? Because now he's getting hot air out he's getting hot air out. He doesn't have pressure buildup.
Yeah.
So that helps. And this is an actual 400 car, Pontiac.
Oh, nice.
I'm the second owner of the shop. We bought it brand new.
Is it a 350 car?
It's a no 400 runner. Yeah. I did the hood though. All metal too.
So you raised it up. And
Yeah. I say I want to keep the original look, but I want to raise it, you know.
Looks
And that's
clean.
what I did. I did the side of the wall.
You crazy.
It's all metal.
There's so much room in the nose of these cars.
Oh yeah.
Look at all the room up front. What radiator is that?
Champion, I think it is.
Nice one. Then again, the Flexolite.
The interior is all fucking intact. I always have kept it in the orange.
Oh, nice. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's really. Are you keeping it automatic or? Is that...
Yeah.
Okay.
You know that body by Fisher? There's descendants of the Fisher family that live in Napa.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, it replaced the floor panel, the floor pan on the rear.
Was it rusted out?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
So what's your what are you gonna do with this? When it's finished, what's it gonna look like? What's it gonna be when it's finished?
Like that, I'm not gonna do nothing else to the body.
You're not gonna
Well, I'm
paint
gonna paint. Yeah, I'm gonna put the engine out, do the engine compartment. You know.
it? So are you gonna put? You said you're gonna put a big block in here? Or
No,
you're
no.
gonna
This
put-
is I'm gonna leave the same order because it's matching number. Everything is matching number.
Okay, so that's
So I'm gonna put a roller cam on it with aluminum heads, and you know build it, but the same block. It's got the same original transmission number and everything is matching.